Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you something very interesting that I've been working on for the past day or two, and let's get to it. So this is actually a basic form that you can see, but this can actually do calculations based on natural language. So if I type in what is your 15% out of 45, it gives me this answer. Then what is 3 to the power 3? It should be 81. Sorry, 3 into 3 into, yeah, it is 27. Right, sorry. um, and this is again AP, this is again, sorry, AI based, uses Gemini, and everything is behind something that I'm going to show you. So basically, Webflow has been a great tool to build websites, host blogs, host case studies, and host landing pages for marketers to direct their traffic to. And Webflow also was capable of is capable of building real estate listing websites, car markets, and all those stuff, but with the help of tools like FinSuite. And for developers who are kind of transitioning into Webflow, their main concern is how to manage the code. And even for designers like me, if I were to add code, there was the issue of managing the code, where the code should go, and how someone else can debug it. So there were many issues, right? And basically, Webflow only offered two code sections inside and before inside the header tag and before the body tag, and also we have code embeds that we can have within the page. But definitely there were codes that required to be inside the header tag. So many pain points, but I found out a way to mitigate that. Basically, I'm using two tools. One is GitHub and the other is Cloudflare Workers. So what GitHub does is it hosts your code. So I think I can show you github.com. So this is the entire code for this particular app. And what yeah, basically GitHub allows you to host your code, and it can be hosted within folders. You can do a lot of stuff. You can collaborate with other developers, and also you can have something called version control, where you can push changes to a branch of the main code and see how it's working. Developer stuff which I don't quite understand as well. And Cloudflare is what we call a middleware. So it acts as an agent that fetches the code from GitHub and pushes it into Webflow. So the benefits are mainly API key protection. So if you are trying to integrate API keys with Webflow, then you are not going to have it inside the header code, because it might get exposed. Not might, it will get exposed, and you will face a lot of troubles. So because of that, it's very important to have those API keys and other keys protected, and Cloudflare helps with that. The code is not exposed to the front end. No one can inspect it and then look at the code. Then it can act as a what I said, secure middleware. It can filter, validate, and limit the requests that the API key gets. What else? Yeah, that's it. And we have Webflow, right? Webflow is important for the visual development, and also it can act as a CMS, by the way, if you didn't know. And it can manage all the content, manage the components. So the developers and the marketers and also the designers, they can all collaborate with this setup. And yeah, that's basically it. So this takes Webflow development into a new level, because Webflow has been a great tool. There are tools like Wist, which I have used, and for me, it's kind of tough to go through it with all the like tutorials and stuff. But this would be a great way because AI is there. We can use AI to generate code, debug code, um, and also create apps like this. So I'm hoping to bring more content, more videos on tools that I build. You guys have already seen my previous tutorials, not tutorials like showcases of the AI tools, AI agents that I built, and I'm hoping to integrate them with Webflow like this and show it to you guys. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments and talk soon.